This is Candy and Ivy's litter. Candy's litter is 7 weeks, and Ivy's litter is almost 6. So, let's see. That's Candy's Louie. Watch out, Miles. Yep, he said hello. Miles, move. Come on, shoo. That's Simon. He's my climber. That's Louie with the big mouth. He's going to California. That's Bully. I don't know where the bitch is. There she is. Big mouth on the left. And then the littler ones are Ivy's puppies. There's Buddy. Buddy, Buddy, Buddy. Come on, Whisper. Come on, Whisper. There's Whisper. Here's Whisper. Yes, I know you have a big mouth. It's going to be your downfall. Simon. Simon. Good Simon. Come on, Simon. That's Tank, that's Ivy's puppy. I didn't name him. Gee, there should be 4 out here. Oh, here he is. That's Chasky. Didn't name him either. Little Sable. Get out of the way, Bliss. Louie, you have a big mouth. Yeah, you do. Hi, Whisper. Come on. Come on out this way. Come on, come on. Whisper. Buddy, buddy, buddy. You're talking to now? Here's Simon. He's so pretty. Shh. It's the end of that. Can't have that barking. That's Ivy's little girl. And that's Ivy's little boy, Tank. Where the little girl is. Oh, she's over there. I love her. Labba. Shush. This is their first day outside. They don't know what's going on. Not Candy's litter, Ivy's litter. But he's over there because I hit him with the fly swatter. What's the matter, Louie? Huh? Are you mad? Louie's mad. Because I swatted him with the fly swatter for barking. Oh, here's Candy. That's how they go in and out. This works the easiest for me right now. I don't have to walk them around to the door. Throw them out the window. Because their pen is right there. So you feed them, you put them out the window. When you have to go to work, you have to do things in an efficient manner. Whoa, that was a nice jump, Candy. I bet you don't know how to get out, though. Now you're stuck there. But they know you're here. You're gonna be sorry. Oh, you can move her around though. Bring her back here, Candy. Candy, bring her back here. But even the little puppies are gonna go over now. Poor Candy. That's what happens when you went in there by yourself. You get everybody. Think about it next time. Okay, that's it.